Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to create a dashboard in QlikView. I have taken a file. We have to go to this particular file, then click on edit script. I have loaded a data named as, this is basically a sales data, orders data. So click on OK. I'll reload this particular file and click on reload. It will ask us to save the document. So I'll save the document, say with the name as QlikView underscore exercise underscore save. So I have saved it. So I'll right click on this particular QlikView canvas or QlikView document. It's basically sheet. Go to this particular new sheet object and go to this particular chart. I will give this as name as sales sales chart. Click on this particular bar chart. Click on next. We have to add the dimensions over here. So I'll add the dimension as country, or I'll add it as region. Say I'll add it as region and remove this row ID and also remove this particular country. Only region. I will select it from the orders table. Click on this. Now expression which we have to select. Sum, aggregation is the sum from the orders table. Click on the category as sales. Paste it. Click on OK. It is appearing over here. If you want to add another expression, we can add it. And then click on next. 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 We want it in multicolored manner. Next. Next. Click on finish. So this is going to appear over here. This is our sales chart. Now go to this particular sheet, right click over here, go to this new sheet object, go to the list box. Now we are going to create a list box. Then we will click on this particular show as string view and we will use the field name as category. Now you can see over here list box is being created. So this is interlinked with this. So if I am clicking on this particular furniture, so you can see the region wise sales of this particular furniture. So when I will click on office supplies, you can see the region wise sales of this particular office supply sales of this particular region. Then whenever I will click on this particular technology, you can see this the sales in this particular bar. Now next thing over here is that we can create a table also and we can interlink, we can link with this particular say bar chart and also with this particular. So right click, go to the new sheet object, then go to this particular table box. You can give the name or you can leave it as it is. We'll add this particular table. We'll add all the fields. Add all. Click on add all. Apply and OK. So you can see over here a table is being created. So if I want to click on this particular Akron city, so it will be showing me how much sales it has done and it is in which region. So it is in east region. The sum of sales is being shown. And if I want to see this furniture, office supply, technology, office supply, likewise, so it is going to show you. So all these things are interlinked. Now next thing is that we will create a gauge chart over here and link with this. Go to this particular new sheet object, click on chart, select this gauge chart. You can keep on going on following the same procedure. Click it. As we can see over here, a gauge chart is also being created. When I click on furniture, it is also going to get changed. When I click on this particular, it is also going to get changed. As we can see, when I click on technology, the gauge chart is getting changed. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.